Hey guys, here's something I built in 1997. It's a Pacific off-highway truck. Built from scratch. It's got Tonka wheels, so that sort of tells you how big it is. It's pretty heavy. It's got the wrappers. It's got a bit of detail. Trailer comes off. Bunks swivel. Got the big rotator there for the bunks to swivel, they're chained. Got the rear window through the water tank. Saddle. Rubber mud flaps. It's got rear ends somewhere down in there. Brake pots, the silver things, differentials, leaf springs, stack of them, and the trailer, fairly simple. It's got leaf springs, brake pots, axles. It swivels too. It's got the trip stakes, cables. So there we have it. Big log truck. I had a load for it a long time ago, but not anymore. It hauls quite a bit of wood. So there we go. It's kind of based on a 1964 model. Actually, I copied some Hayes stuff on it too, and some Challenger stuff. There you have it.